Hello friends, I am Sivsraj. Welcome to my channel Extra Talks. Today in this video I am gonna tell you top 10 most haunted places in India. Watch this video to the end. So let's begin. The curiosity to find out more about the unknown has inspired people to travel to all four corners of the world for many centuries. While some feel an adrenaline rush exploring haunted places, others prefer to stay away. India, the land of thousands of untold stories, has its own share of eerie destinations. Number 10. Vas Villas, St. Mars Road, Bangalore. A 75-year-old lady named Dolce Vaz lived in Vaz Villas, St. Mars Road, Bangalore. She was murdered by an unidentified person in 2002. It is said that now the house became the home of supernatural power. People claiming to saw and feel some unusual noise and supernatural things when they walk passes near there. Most interestingly, there are some articles and stuff still there which are lying around in the house, but no one came to steal them. Number 9. Dow Hill, West Bengal. According to locals, terrifying ghosts reside in the small hill station of Dow Hill, the surrounding forest, and the nearby Victoria Boys School. A number of accidents and murders have taken place here in the forest, and the ghosts of various children have been sighted. The most common is one of a headless boy who roams around in the forest and follows people. Constant shrieks, laughter, and footsteps can be heard in the school. Number 8. Dumas Beach, Gujarat. This black sand beach in Gujarat was once an important Hindu cremation ground, and it is this history that gives it an eerie edge. The cheering morning atmosphere fades with the setting sun, and by night local people avoid Dumas Beach as much as possible. From spooky shrieks to whispers, people have repeatedly heard hunting sounds coming from Dumas, said to be the spirits of tormented souls. Number 7. Ramoji Film City, Andhra Pradesh. One of the largest film complexes in India, Ramoji Film Studio is also said to be home to various spirits that roam around the grounds and the hotels in the area. Built on a battlefield, Ramoji is supposedly surrounded by the spirits of dead soldiers that are still active on field. Odd marks on mirrors, props, and crew members falling to ground in unexplained circumstances are common occurrences reported in the studio. Number 6. Mukesh Mills, Mumbai. Built in 1870, this mill is a notoriously spooky location. Shut down after a massive fire in 1980s, the mill was left in a dilapidated, eerie state. Now a major shooting location for Bollywood films, several stars and crew members have claimed to be witness to paranormal activity in certain areas of the mill. Some have shown never return to the place, and the few who do wrap up their work well before the sunset. Number 5. Aggression Ki Baoli, New Delhi. It is very popular for its antiquated architecture, but unfortunately has no records of who built it and when. According to the sources, people who have visited the Aggression Ki Baoli claim that something invisible followed them, and the faster they ran, the quickly it chased. Number 4. Shaniwarwada, Pune. Huge forts at night are scary anyway, but Shaniwarwada is something else entirely. Screams for help from a young boy are said to be heard by night. According to legend, a prince and heir to the Peshwa throne was brutally murdered in Shaniwarwada. Today, painful screams of "Uncle, save me" echo through the fort after dark, especially during a full moon night. Number 3. Savoy Hotel, Mussoorie. The story of this haunted hotel began in 1911. A spiritualist named Miss Frances Garnet Orme was poisoned in the Savoy, and the mystery remains unsolved to this day. Guests have claimed to have seen Miss Garnet Orme's ghost roaming around the hotel and heard the echoes of her footsteps. Number 2. Delhi Cantonment. By this day, this is one of the most beautiful spots in Delhi, but by night it is a different story. It is said that the road leading through Delhi cantonment has a notorious ghostly hitchhiker who walks around aimlessly clad all in white, waving for passers-by to stop their cars. It is believed that people who have agreed to give her a ride are never seen again, and those who don't stop have claimed that the woman runs parallel to their window, matching the car's speed until they reach the border of the Delhi cantonment. Number 1. Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. This abandoned town in Rajasthan, home to a majestic fort, is reported to be one of the most haunted places in India. Bhangar and its ruins are closed to visitors from sunset to sunrise, the time with highest paranormal activity. Those who have dared to stay in the fort overnight have reported hearing footsteps and the screeching of a woman. Please friends, like, share and subscribe my channel and show your support towards me.